Okay, Anthony wanted to make sure his radio, his GTS radio, got here safely. This is definitely a first. I was actually scared to open it because I didn't know what the heck it was. Then I called the phone number on the tag and then realized what it was. He actually shipped his GPS radio in an Apache case. There is no better way to make sure that your GTS radio will not get damaged during shipping. I gotta give him credit for that one. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So, Anthony Baker wins the award of safest form of shipping, sending us a GTS radio. Use an Apache gun box. So, he saw my video, I guess, how foam is the best way, and I guess a cardboard shipping box wasn't good enough for him. Look at the way he shipped in this GTS radio. There was no chance of that thing ever getting damaged at all. Great job, Anthony. So now we're gonna unlock it, activate CarPlay and Android Auto without the need for the WIM. We're gonna flash it, set up his DSP, and ship it back to him. Anthony made it real simple for us. Description of what his system layout is, all the features he activated, and we're gonna put together a DSP with a plug and play harness for him, and we're gonna set it up with a rough tune. That way he just has to plug everything in. DSP is already set up. He just has to adjust the trim level to make everything match up. Nice, easy, simple. So if you're gonna send me your radio, please be as detailed as he is. So he made it nice and easy for me. No mistakes. We do so many of these that we have a T-harness set up with our in-house DSP. So we'll, using his radio with his flash and his tune, we'll set it up on this DSP, and then we'll upload the file into the brand new DSP before we ship it out to him. So we can load everything on this one, then after the file is loaded onto the phone and the tune is saved, then we'll just upload it to this one, put it back in the box, ship it out to him. For those that are scared of DSPs, Rockford makes it simple. That's why I always recommend the Rockford DSP for a do-it-yourselfer, because here we have the factory radio harness and then the DSP harness here. So it all plugs in and then sends signal out to your amplifiers. Okay, this one's all programmed and ready to be sent back out. So when he gets it, all he has to do is plug in the harnesses and set the trim levels, and he's good to go.